Next HelloFresh meal is amazing apricot chicken. First part is to wash the potatoes and dice them. Into half-inch pieces. So I diced it up and yeah. That was supposed to be Popeye's voice, by the way. Pretty horrible. Alright, so next step, sizzling the chicken 5 to 7 minutes inside with olive oil, salt and pepper. Also olive oil on the green beans. Pushed over the potatoes and put them back in the oven for 425 for another 12 to 15 minutes. I think, without Abby this time, she's taking a nap. Too much high school stuff. But, so right now I am almost done with the chicken. We've got the, what do you call it, the green beans and the potatoes in the oven. We've got shallots here, minced. After the chicken is done, we're going to put the shallots in the pan with, I'll show you in just a second if I can flip my phone around. Kind of awkward, I can't do it right now. But we're going to put some fresh thyme springs, the shallot. We're going to cook it for a while, then we're going to add some apricot jam, yum, and also some balsamic vinegar. Alright, the chicken looks pretty good. Just finished that, and now we've got shallots, thyme, and some olive oil in there for a little bit. Let's stir that all together for 1 to 2 minutes. Then we're going to put some water in there. I'll put a cup of water, jam, stock concentrate, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. That'll give us a good tasting sauce to drizzle on the chicken. Here's the mixture. Stir all that up. We're going to keep on doing this until it simmers, thickens up a little bit. And meanwhile, the green beans and potatoes are almost done. We just need a little butter in here next, which I was surprised by. And although I wish I could cut chicken better so it looked better, I think the food looks pretty good. So there we go. We've got the green beans. Someone pointed at the wrong plate. Green beans, the potatoes, and the chicken, and we put the sauce on top. There you go. Now I'm gonna let the kids try it. Hi Nathan. Try.
Okay, I'll start with the chicken.
You'll be brutally honest.
Okay.
Yeah. The one thing we were missing was butter that we were supposed to put in there, and since my refrigerator doesn't work, I don't have any butter to put in with that sauce.
It seems like that's your fault.
The refrigerator broken. Oh God! I should never put you on this YouTube channel again. Can you taste the apricot or no? Yeah? Okay.
It's good.
Do me a favor, try the green beans. I need you to try everything. Abby! That is how a professional eats. Dear Lord. Try potato now. No, not potato. It's not potatoes. Hot potato, hot potato. Remember the Wiggles song? Hot potato, hot potato. Do you remember that? No. You weren't into the Wiggles. Not bad?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Maybe could do with a little more seasoning.
We can add. We can add more seasoning.